Choosing the maintenance metrics. There are a few key steps to take when choosing the maintenance metrics that make sense for your organization. First, determine your organization's objectives. Second, formulate a broad strategy to meet these goals. Third, associate each goal with a measurable KPI, emphasizing its significance. Fourth, identify the individuals responsible for the plan's execution and decide on measurement and influence methods. Fifth, gather input from various stakeholders, such as technicians and operators. Sixth, pinpoint relevant processes and KPIs, guiding you to vital metrics for your organization.